Yo, what is going on? It's Spec It All here today, and as you guys could already tell, today we will be unboxing and reviewing the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. I haven't posted a video in a while, but today this video is a must-have, and on top of that, I will be posting more content throughout this career of YouTube. So, without further ado, let's get into this. Let's unbox it. Let's see what Apple has to offer. I'm really excited for this because I got the Pacific Blue, which is really hard to get on launch day. So we will be definitely doing a full review of this phone. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this iPhone 12, as you can tell just from looking outside of the box, it's a lot thinner, like a lot thinner than the old iPhone cases, due to the fact that I don't think they come with a power brick anymore. I don't know if they come with headphones, but without further ado, I say we just unbox this thing, see what this thing's all about. Does have 5G, which is a great thing, so let's just start unboxing this. So first, we will just peel the lid. Oh wait, yeah. There that goes, but this is a nice matte black. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see this phone. Okay, so first impressions are, man, this phone's a beauty. This phone's, first impressions are, I don't see any plastic on the back. I don't know why that's not there. But look at this thing. So let's just set this aside. I'm just going to put it back in the case. Let's see what else is in the tiny little skinny box. So we have a lightning adapter to USB-C, which you'll have to pick up the USB-C brick charger if you want to take advantage of that fast charging capabilities. And we also have a SIM ejector tool and just some stuff like some user guides and stuff. And we only have one Apple sticker this year, which is kind of sad, but I don't use them anyways. But they're trying to cheap us out, claim it's better for the environment, but I don't even know. My reasoning is that if they're trying to save the environment by making smaller boxes, then you have to buy, if you want to complete the set in order to charge your phone properly, you have to buy something else which has a box, which if you put the box and this box together, it would be a bigger box anyways. Let's take a look at this phone. So it's only one thing on the screen, so let's just first take that off. And here it is, the iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue. Now, these lenses are ridiculously big. It also has the LiDAR sensor, so we got an ultra wide, a wide, a telephoto. Then we have the LiDAR sensor, and of course we have a flashlight and a little mic there. Okay, that was legit the quickest setup I've ever done. Ooh, that's nice. That's a little nice feature that people may not know. So when you move this background, it moves with it. Well, I know that happens on the home screen. I mean, the lock screen. I didn't realize it did all the other. So let's see out of the box what OS it's running, because I just got this today. Battery percentage is 69, so I'm guessing when I turned it on, it was at a charge of 70%, which is not bad. This is actually really low brightness. Let's turn that all the way up. Okay. Look how clear that screen is. iPhone 12 Pro Max, as you can see. Is there anything? Software version. 14.1. I did get the 128 gig because that was the only available version in this phone. But besides that, I don't think that The reason why I put 128 gig is because there was no other available models. I would have gotten the 512, but 128 was the only size I had in Pacific Blue. I'm glad I did it because Pacific Blue is worth it. Now, this phone does have 5G. Okay, so it's not really anything else special to this phone yet, but we will definitely be doing a full review of this phone, seeing what it's all about. Maybe there's something new that we don't know. Other than the 5G, really, and the new straight edges, I don't really see anything different. I don't know, man. All I know is that this was the unboxing video. Stay tuned for a review video. We will definitely be doing that, but as always, thanks again, guys, for all the support over the past couple months. It really means a lot. Yeah. So, just want to say thank you for all the support in the few months that has been going by, which I haven't posted. I know that I haven't posted in a while, but I just have been going through a bunch of things lately. So, besides that, I greatly appreciate you guys clicking on this video to see the unboxing of the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue. Definitely be doing a review of this, so stay tuned, and as always, take it easy. Besides that, I greatly appreciate you guys clicking on this video to see the unboxing of the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue. Definitely be doing a review of this, so stay tuned, and as always, take it easy. Peace.